These easy Greek chicken pita wraps have homemade tzatziki sauce and Greek-inspired spiced chicken to make a delicious and healthy meal everyone will love. If you are going to make homemade pitas, make them ahead of time. They take a little over 3 hours from start to finish because of rise time, but it's worth it. Mix the marinade ingredients into a mixing bowl. Add the chicken and ensure it is fully coated in marinade. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and marinate for at least an hour in the fridge. Make the tzatziki sauce by adding all of the ingredients for the sauce into a bowl and stir until combined. Place in the fridge so all of the flavors have time to blend and chill. Heat the skillet over medium-high heat and add the marinated chicken pieces and the marinade to the skillet. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side until fully cooked with an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the chicken and slice it into strips. Add the chicken back into the skillet to get more of the marinade coated on the chicken pieces, just a minute or two. Take a pita bread and place it on a plate. Layer the sliced cucumber, tomato, cabbage, lettuce, and red onion slices first. Then add strips of chicken on top with tzatziki sauce and feta cheese. Wrap the pitas in foil to keep the toppings from falling out while eating. Find the full recipe and more at emilyfabulous.com.